Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a nail polish that blends elegance with a touch of whimsy, then today's product might just pique your interest. We're talking about OPI Nail Lacquer in the stunning shade Pisces the Future, a mesmerizing opaque light blue-green shimmer that promises more than just color. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what makes this one stand out from the sea of nail polishes out there? Well, stick with me as I dive into the details of this chip-resistant, fast-drying formula. Let's start with the basics. OPI is a brand that's synonymous with high-quality nail care, and this particular polish is no exception. The Pisces the Future shade is a delicate light blue-green with an iridescent shimmer that reflects light, giving it an almost mystical, otherworldly vibe. Whether you're heading to a brunch or a night out, this color promises to turn heads while being subtle enough to wear every day. In terms of product details, this nail lacquer comes in a 15 milliliter bottle and boasts a chip-resistant formula, which is a huge plus for anyone who's tired of reapplying their polish after just a few days. It dries quickly, leaving behind a smooth, streak-free finish that shines brilliantly. No more waiting forever for your nails to dry or dealing with frustrating streaks that ruin the look. The liquid texture applies smoothly and evenly, with just 1 or 2 coats needed for full opacity. Now let's talk about my experience with this polish. As someone who often struggles to keep nail polish in place for more than a few days, I was eager to see how Pisces the Future would perform. I've been wearing it for about a week now, and I have to say, OPI's claim of chip resistance is pretty spot on. Even after doing dishes, typing, and just living life, I noticed only minimal wear along the edges, which is a huge win for me. The polish also dried incredibly fast, and the streak-free finish is exactly as promised. It feels comfortable on the nails, not too thick or sticky, and it doesn't chip easily, which really helps it stand out in a crowded market of nail lacquers. When it comes to the pros of OPI Nail Lacquer, it's hard not to be impressed with how easy it is to apply. The formula glides on effortlessly and creates a smooth, glossy finish. The color is versatile enough to be worn on all occasions, whether you're going for a subtle everyday look or something a little more daring. Plus, the chip-resistant feature is a game changer. On the downside, it's worth noting that while the color is beautiful, the shimmer effect may not be as prominent as expected once the polish dries. It's still noticeable, but the shimmer isn't as bold as some other pearl or shimmer polishes I've used in the past. Also, depending on your nail length and type, you may need 2 coats to achieve full opacity. As for value for money, OPI Nail Lacquer is priced in the mid-range for nail polishes, so you're paying for quality. The fast-drying, chip-resistant formula and the smooth finish are worth the investment, especially if you're someone who values longevity and ease of application. Now, in terms of comparisons, there are other brands that offer similar shades, but OPI stands out for its overall performance. While some budget options may offer a similar color payoff, you might not get the same long-lasting durability and chip resistance that OPI promises. Brands like Essie and Sally Hansen also carry shimmer polishes, but if chip resistance is a must for you, OPI holds its own in that category. Looking at the build quality of the product, OPI nails it with the packaging, simple yet elegant. The bottle is well designed for easy application, and the liquid itself has a good consistency that doesn't run or drip. It's also worth mentioning that the formula is free from animal-derived ingredients, which is great for those seeking cruelty-free beauty options. As far as longevity goes, I've been impressed. After several days of wear, the polish still looks fresh and chip-free. It's clear that OPI's chip-resistant formula is built to withstand normal wear and tear, giving you a longer-lasting manicure. If you're considering purchasing OPI Nail Lacquer in Pisces the Future, I'd say it's a solid choice. The value for the price is definitely there, especially for those who want a polish that not only looks good, but also performs well over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check the description box below for a link to purchase the product. If you've used OPI Nail Lacquer or have any thoughts on the Pisces the Future shade, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.